So yeah, it'll pick up wherever you click on. It'll start the audio from that point. What else is there that we did not cover? I'm sure there's a lot of things. Let's see. We can also, here, let's click that plus sign again. So when you click on handwriting, this little box will pop up again. Well, here, let's see this coffee thing, and let's just do a plain area. So again, tap anywhere to insert a handwriting box. So let's put a little handwriting box over here. Whoa, pretty big, huh? There you go. So now what do we do to resize it? Can we resize it? There you go. If you tap on it again, you get the 4 points coming up. Scale it down to whatever size that you want. Let's put it over here. Now you can add in whatever we want to type in. So yeah, let's move that there. And again, when you tap on it, tap on the pencil. Let's write red. There you go. It's hard to see, so let me undo that and choose a bigger. Oh, how about this? Since this is hard, it's a good experiment. If you click on there again, just going back arrow. If you hold on this area, say you don't like it's too dark, right? You can change the paper again. You don't have to erase it or start from scratch. Let's go back to paper. Let's just choose a nice, there you go, a simpler background. Oh, and we decided to add some the graphs this time, the squares. There we go. Now let's just go back here. I had the red selected before. Let me make my line a little bit thicker, and I'm done. Now I can actually start using my area to type in. There you go. Pretty cool. Now let's say we want to resize this here. I want to resize this. What do I do again? I'm just going to hold on to the area, tap and hold on to it, and then make it a little bit smaller. There you go. Now it's a little bit smaller. Tap anywhere else on the screen and you'll be out of that field. Okay, pretty cool feature. Again, it's great for taking notes. This is a very powerful program. Now, if you look over here on this side, so let's say you're done typing notes for this page, or you want to add another page. Just go down over here. If you click over here, I'm sorry about that. So if you look over here, you'll see that it's numbered. So page 1, page 2. If you click down, it goes on to page 2, and now you'll see it's a blank page. Or if you click back, and over here it's also telling you you're on page 2 of 2. If you click back up, you go back to page. Oh no, we just came out of oh yeah, okay. So if you click over here, this part, notice this pane where it has the pages. If you click over here, that's page 1. Click over here, that's page 2. If you don't want this, I don't kind of like it. You just go ahead and click on this, and it's gone. Okay, and instead what's there to move between the pages are the arrows. So if you click over there, again, you can go back to that pane. You want to get out of there, again, click that, or just click on the arrow and you'll go back to page 1. Click back down, you'll go to page 2. Okay, so here, let's go back up to page 1. This is kind of hard for me to do. I'm holding my iPhone while I'm recording this, but if you have both hands free, you shouldn't have that many errors like I am having, as many problems. So moving along, now I've got these part of the notes, whatever I've typed in. Let's see what happens when you push on this over here. Again, notice that this is what we used for the paper that we wanted. So at that point we chose these college ruled, and we chose a white background. Click on blue, and notice what happens. Everything turns blue. Let's go back to white. So at any time you want to change the whole thing, you have that option to go ahead and do that. Now also we talked about copying and pasting. Let's try that. So if you click on, you tap on the scissors icon, and then you go over here. What you're going to do is you're going to create a lasso. Okay, I don't know how this works. I'll have to go back and read on this and how to get this feature to work. Maybe this would work. I have no idea. Not sure. Okay, the other thing is moving up and down. 2 fingers move up, 2 fingers move down. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can also do that. So again, you want to pinch inwards or pinch outwards to zoom in, pinch in to zoom back out. Again, pretty cool feature that this thing has to do that. What else? What happens when you click on this? Let's look at this one. This arrow, the eject button type thing. This kind of gives you a little larger screen view, I think. You go back up. Yeah, so when you tap on that arrow button, this bar goes away, disappears. If you click on this, you'll go back to your library, which is that first screen, that opening screen. Now when you click on this, this is how you're going to share, right? So say we're all done with these notes. What do you want to do? Choose a format, PDF. All right. Now, what do you want to do? Right now we have PDFs stored. Do you want RTF? You can do RTF as well, or you can do notes. Now, this is the official the language that this program is saved in. I recommend that you guys actually save everything using this format. The reason being is you will have the ability to come back home and make all of your and do all your edits once you're done, once you're out of the meeting or out of class. Once you have it saved to PDF, not sure how that'll work. I think it's going to be much harder. This is the native format. Go with it. This works much better. Now, if you want to send it to one of your friends, I guess just saving in once you make all your final edits, etc., then you just want to do a PDF that works fine. Notice also recordings are on. You have an option of sending the recordings, or you have an option of just sending the notes. So if I did, now by recording, again, what we're talking about is the audio that we had recorded. So if you want that on, go ahead. You want to send it with those recordings. You want to leave it off. You want to send it with those off. Now, let's do recording on for this time. Paper on. I guess this is gonna set the background, whatever color you chose. Let's just leave it on as well. Now let's do email. Or actually, not email, but choose a destination. Where do you want to send it to? Or where do you want to share it to? Do you want to email to somebody, or do you want to send it to Dropbox? Notice it will automatically send it to Dropbox. You can also print, open another program, another app that you have, or send it to iTunes as well. I think you need to be on the your computer needs to be turned on in order for that, and you guys need to be on the same the network. So it has to be a local. It has to be a local area network in order to do that. You can print as well if you have a wireless printer that's set up. So again, if you just click on email and then email note, again, what's going to happen is it's going to process the note, and then this will pop up. Go ahead, you can just type in email address, subject, notice it's already there, cells. When you're done, you just click on send. It's like you normally do, and voila, all set, all done. So I'm just going to delete this draft for now. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything out, but the more you guys play around with this, you will see all the cool features that it has. Let's just go back over here. So I don't know, let's see what photo we have on this camera roll. My son's been goofing around here with this one. So now I'll just put that over here, there. Whatever this is, he put that over there. Now I put that over there, and let's say I want to move it. Go ahead, swipe it around. If you tap it, this caption box could be moved. There you go. So let's just put it over there. And we wanted to add another photo. Select that one this time, and let's put that over here. Now notice what happened. This last picture that I put is overlapping with that other one that I had, that other text box that I had before. So if I click over here on